So today I'll be cooking mee curry, my favorite Malaysian food.
So for all the ingredients, we need a potato, a piece of ginger, coconut milk, garlic cloves, onions, curry paste, some spices and nuts, and of course a blender. So let's get on with the video!
To halves and the potatoes. Yeah, fresh and peeled, sis. I was supposed to lift up the blender after blending it. Don't make the same mistake I did. Sorry for the background noises, but then yeah. Back to blending. Oh, and make one more mistake. Don't follow what I did. I forgot to add in water since it's moist and wet. So, back to blending.
So start tearing your, okay, which I don't know what I'm doing, but then yeah, literally I was laughing and yeah, I made a mistake. Literally me. But yeah, anyway, start tearing and pouring your curry paste into the bowl. And yeah, that's that. So now it's time to mix and yeah, add in water to the curry paste. And keep on adding water as desired and needed. So you'll get a very smooth paste. So keep on adding the water to the curry paste. Keep on adding it until it becomes ultra super smooth. You can also add in more water once you put it in the pot, but that will come later. Keep on stirring until it's perfect.
So now we add in 2 tablespoons of oil. Doesn't matter what oil it is. So any frying oil. The dry ingredients is kind of wet though because I added water and the thing I never took the water out. But yeah, spices, whatever. And yeah, you have to mix it with the oil. And then also add in the wet ingredients. And now you can smell all the aroma. At this point, you should turn the heat to low heat. Now add in the curry paste. Add all of it in. And just mix all of that together. And put on the heat again. And yeah, if your curry is left over, as you can see, add in more water and yeah, add in more curry. So if the oil comes out, then you know that's when you know the curry is ready. Okay. Put in the chicken. Just pour all the chicken in and mix it in the curry base, and also add in the potatoes. And got to turn the just keep on tossing. And don't forget to add your seasoning or salt and pepper, whatever. And keep on mixing. And put a little more seasoning. And that probably should be enough. Now pour in all the water because it's drying up. Mix and then add water again. Then add water, or no, it's not. And then you have to cover the lid. Let the curry cook. Let the curry boil by itself. So now boil your water up for the spaghetti or noodles, whatever you want to put in. Lid, and now add in your coconut milk. Don't add everything, just a quarter of it. Okay, now mix it. Mix the coconut milk in the curry. Now we turn off the fire and then we take off the lid, and you see the curry is ready.
Now lastly, after cooking the mee curry, you can put in the amount of spaghetti or noodles or what you like, and let it cook, and then your curry is ready.
I'm sorry that I didn't end this video, but please subscribe, like and comment down below. Love.